Light is everywhere. It brings us light and guides us. When the first ray of light hits the ground, the world has been injected with new vitality. Do you know laser? It is the sharpest knife and the most accurate ruler, the brightest light. In the world of lasers, it drives from the photon, inspires, gathers, and releases itself at last. The fusion of laser and machinery brings new breakthroughs to manufacturing. The development of today's society is changing with each passing day. We have more opportunities and face many challenges. We need to not only increase creativity, but also unleash the workforce. Accurate, efficient, energy-saving, and environmental protection, down to earth and ingenious. We are deeply cultivated in the industry for several years, constantly researching technology, and have won a number of scientific research achievements with ISO 9001 quality system, ACME Green Product Certification. We have more than 130 certifications and scientific achievements. Times are changing. What remains the same is belief. High performance, high quality, high efficiency laser cutting machine is precipitated with time. Oriented to meet customer needs, we provide customers with intelligent laser cutting processing solutions, continuously developing product, application fields, and promoting industrial development with innovation. Customers can improve production efficiency and update processing better and more efficiently, realizing win-win sharing between customers and enterprises. We start from the details and take each product inspection seriously, do a good job in every machine debugging, and make strict quality control and strive to be more meticulous and perfect in each link. Currently, laser cutting technology has been integrated into all walks of life. Now, new energy, power facilities, heavy machinery, shipbuilding, transportation facilities, architectural decoration, fitness equipment, and elevator equipment. Laser cutting machines play an irreplaceable role in many industries. Now, we have been highly recognized by the market by our professional technology and perfect service system. ACME Laser Cutting Equipment has been sold in more than 80 countries and regions around the world. For future, we will work with the light, providing you with more exciting tools.